Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can set up remote desktop. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open the search menu from the bottom of the screen and then search for Remote Desktop Settings. After that, a bunch of search results will be displayed on your screen. Simply open the Settings tab and make sure that the Remote Desktop feature is enabled. Once done, close the Settings window and search for Remote Desktop Connection. Now, open the top result and a new pop-up will appear. You just need to click on the Show More Options feature and you will be prompted to enter some details. For the computer field, right-click on this PC, open its properties, and then copy the device name. After that, paste the name into the first field. For the second one, you will need to enter the username of the PC you're trying to connect to. Once done, click on the Connect button, and you will be good to go. As I don't have another PC, that's why I can't show you the shared screen, but you'll be able to do it if you follow the steps carefully. So that's basically how you can set up remote desktop. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.